Whoa! Why did I get a tax notice? I filed my ITR on time and I cross-checked every other detail. Even after that, I got one. What is happening here? Oh my god, I can't go to jail. I'm not going to survive in jail. What will happen to me? Damn, I need someone to help me.
What happened? Why are you panicking? Which notice did you get?
It's a defective notice.
The first thing you need to do if you've received a tax notice is not to panic. The income tax department gives you enough time and opportunity to everyone to respond to the notices. Before we see how to respond to a defective notice, let's quickly look at the types of notices. First is an intimation under section 143 subsection 1. An intimation order under section 143(1) is not exactly a notice but rather a communication from the income tax department. This notice is sent to an individual after the income tax department processes the ITR. So you will get this intimation even if there is no mismatch or error in your ITR, so you need not be scared about this. If there is a tax demand, you will have to respond within 30 days from the date of issue of intimation notice. And if you have refund or no tax demand, then you're not required to respond to the notice. Next is the defective return notice under section 139 subsection 9. Notice under section 139(9) is sent when there are some errors in your ITR. The tax department will send this tax notice asking you to correct the errors by filing a revised ITR. You must respond within 15 days of receiving it. Now comes notice for scrutiny assessment under section 143 subsection 2. A notice for scrutiny assessment is issued when the income tax department decides to examine your tax return in detail. You will be asked to provide all the relevant documents and evidences to prove whatever you have declared in your ITR. The income tax department usually allows you 15 days to respond. However, the time limit to respond to such notice will be mentioned in that notice itself. All you will need to do is submit your response to the assessing officer by uploading all of these necessary documents.
To rectify the defect, you will first need to revise your return. Log on to cleartax.in. The link will be added in the description box below. Log into your account and you can make all the necessary corrections in your return. Say for example, you had missed including interest income. Then you can go ahead and add it. And likewise, you can make all the necessary corrections. Make sure to correct all the errors and then click on Download JSON. Download the JSON file. You will need this file for uploading on the income tax portal.
Log into the income tax portal using your user ID and password. Now under the Pending Actions tab, select e-Proceedings to view or submit response. Click on View Notices tab and now select Submit Response. Select Agree if you agree to the notice, otherwise select Disagree. Also select Offline Utility as the mode of response. Select the ITR type between ITR 1, 2, 3 or 4, whichever is applicable to you. Attach the JSON file that you generated in response to the defective notice using the offline utility. Agree to Response cannot be modified after submission and click on Submit.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Until next time, stay tax done.